uh, we will be knowing about how to use a function called append function and how to use this uh, in list array or storing local numpy array. So this can be used to add elements at the end of a previous list array in that way. So first we will use it in the list, like how to put element in the list. So for that, define the list x equal to say 1 2 3 and 4. Now suppose you want to append uh, some elements in that x. So for that, just type command x dot append. And now suppose you want to add here say 5 6 7 and then check it. Your result should be different from what we have x earlier. Okay, so we have got here, you have added another element called 5 6 7. So this way you can do, you can also add here a string if you want. First string is here, then second, and then third. Okay, now run it. See, you have added like different data types. One is like integers and other is like a string data types. So this way you can append in the list. You can also add like combination of to a string if you want. Yeah, so yeah, so this way you can also do. Now how to use this in the array? So for array you need to import numpy. So import numpy as np, and then you can define an array np dot, or maybe you can define x equal to np dot array 1 2 3 4. Now you can define second array np dot array, then 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now you want to append x array into y. So append y array into x. So for that, z equal to type np dot append x comma y. Now see z. See, z is your a single array containing x and y is put at the end. You can also reverse it if you want and just check it, y comma x. Okay, so this has reversed the order. So you can put with respect to each other, we want to in the end or you want it into the beginning. Okay, so now a third use of append function is like how to store a local numpy array. So for that, import numpy as np, and we define x array as np dot lin space and say you want 1 to 100 and then 100 elements you want. You can check it. You have this array 1 to 100. Now suppose you want to append all element greater than 50 into another array. Okay, so for that what we do, we just define here a empty array. Say we define x1 and empty array, and now you want all element in x greater than 50. So for that use for loop. So for I in range 0 to length of x, and then if your x of I greater than equal to 50, then what to do? Then append. So then you need to append. So type x1 dot append x of I. Now run it. Now here print x1 and see what is your x1. Okay, so here we have your x1, all elements greater than equal to 50 is stored in that append, or stored in that your x1 empty array. So earlier it was empty, now it is filled with your elements greater than equal to 50. So this is one more use of your append function in Python in the list, in array, or like you're storing local numpy array. So I hope this video has helped you to gain some insight about how to use append function in the list and in the numpy array to put element at the end of your first list or array. So thank you.